welcome back to our level 2 in our series of our mini Mario adventure game. And in this episode, I want to teach you guys how to add in our level 2 screen and switch to that screen so that we can carry on coding our game. So let's just jump straight into Scratch. Alright, so here I am in Scratch. If I press my space bar, I can start my game now. In our last episode, that's what we added, was the start menu. And now if I go and I collect all my 10 coins, and then I touch the flag, it now goes to our level 2 screen. So that's what we're aiming for today, so let's get right to it. Alright, so where we left off last episode, we just added our start menu. So now when I start with the green flag and then hit spacebar, my game starts, which is perfect. So now we want to change our ending. So what I'm going to do first is I'm just going to go and add in my background for my level 2. So I'm going to go to my stage, and I'm going to go to backdrops, and the little uploading button at the bottom. I'm going to upload my own backdrop and use Mario background 2. Perfect. So now what I need to do is I need to think about where we actually change our code so that it goes to the win screen, and I know that's when we hit our flag. So I'm going to click on my flagpole, and you can find it right here. If touching Mario, then I'm going to switch my backdrop to Mario win. So I need to change that to switch backdrop to background 2. So that's perfect. So super easy right there. But the only problem is now everything that is already on level 1 is still going to show up on level 2. And I'm making level 2 completely different from level 1. So I need all of my objects from level 1 to disappear when they switch the backdrop. So that's pretty easy. I'm just going to go to each of my objects. I'm going to duplicate this little code block that says when backdrop switches to, hide and stop. So I'm going to duplicate that. And I'm going to say switch to Mario background 2, then I want to disappear and I want to stop all my code. So I just need to do that to all of my objects, and you'll notice that I only have 1 coin and 1 Goomba, and that's so that I don't have to keep going and changing the code for each individual one. I know they're all going to have the same code, so I just go and do all my changes to one of each, and then I duplicate them afterwards. So I'm going to do this to my flagpole as well. So now I'm going to reduplicate my coins and my Goomba so that my game doesn't take me forever to play. And then I'm going to test my game and make sure that now when I hit that flag, it switches to my background 2 and not to my win screen. So testing your game is super important. Anytime you make any changes, make sure you test. The longer you wait between testing, the harder it is to tell when something goes wrong, what it actually is that's causing the problem. So make sure you constantly test. So there we go, switches to level 2 and all of our objects have disappeared. Awesome. So that's it. We just wanted to add in our level 2 and make all of our objects that we no longer need on level 2 to disappear. So now we can carry on with our code. We can add in our new enemies and we can add our new animation for Mario jumping. And we're going to get to that in our next few episodes. So make sure if you haven't already, you subscribe below so you don't miss out on that cool content. And we'll see you next time. Thanks guys. Bye.